How to turn off JavaScript on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or allow JavaScript on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google and click on those 3 points up there. Click on setting and scroll down and click on site settings. Now scroll down until you find JavaScript. Click on it, and this is allowed to run JavaScript. Allow sites to run JavaScript, and you can turn off this option to blocked JavaScript. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.